Okay, so today I want to open up my NotebookLM, one of my notebooks. And if you're not familiar with NotebookLM, it's an AI app that I have started to incorporate into my process, workflow, if you will. And I created a notebook right here that says all my YouTube videos, basically. And so what I did is I went to my YouTube channel and I uploaded, well, these are half of my videos. I uploaded half of my videos. And today I wanted to finish the rest. So let's go to YouTube here. Videos. I actually want to go to my channel. Got a couple new ones. If you haven't checked them out, go ahead and check them out. That would be awesome. And of course, subscribe and all of that. Comment would be great. So I would certainly appreciate it. And hopefully I will be launching a Patreon page this year. So let's see. I did the first 16. So let's see here. That was before these. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I think I may have stopped here. But let's see if we can go to share, copy, and let's see if we go add. We want to add sources, websites. I'm going to go here, and then we'll check the bottom here, and we'll get rid of that. And that was that one. We'll do share, copy, and we'll do insert, share, copy, insert. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest, and I will get back to you. So okay, and here is the last one. I'm going to do share, copy. We can close that down now. And we can go here to paste. This is NotebookLM, and then I'm going to insert these. Now, I may have a duplicate, but as you can see, those are all loading in. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is NotebookLM? And that's a really good question. It is a tool that helps you sort and add your own sources and do AI questions like ChatGPT with your own data. So for example here, I've uploaded my videos. See, I do have a duplicate. Oh, that's part 1, part 2. Oh no, see, part 2. Okay. So I'm going to remove this source because I have it twice. I'm going to check for more duplicates here, but I think we're okay. So these are basically all of my videos that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, and I used them as my own sources, and now I can chat with them, if you will. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull up my Typora, which is my note-taking tool. And I'm going to go to business, and I'm going to go to miscellaneous prompts. And I wrote this prompt. I've already done this. I did it with the first 16. And now I decided, well, let's add the other 16 or so and do a video about it. So I'm going to do a copy here. But basically, I'm telling AI, I am O'Brien Design, and I said in my videos, I would like to create videos that I need to follow up and create. So list all the projects I mentioned I would make a video about, if that makes sense. So in other words, I said in all of these videos, not all of them, but probably quite a few, that I was going to do a project and say, you know, we're going to make a video about that. And I have yet to do it. So I'm going to go in there and I'm going to paste in my prompt, and then I'm going to go generate. And it's going through my data, all of those sources. And if you don't want to go through all the sources, you can uncheck them. So if you have a bunch of sources and you only want to go through one, you can uncheck everything else and just go with one. But that didn't take too long. So web design and development, full-scale website build. You planned a full-blown website build for the Simply Web project to show a complete process once you subscribe. WordPress and Oxygen Builder integration. Follow your initial setup, planned video to start transitioning your design over to Oxygen Builder. Apex, they went out of business. So that's not going to happen. The bakery logo, same with them. They went out of business too. COVID. They lost their investor and we got paid. So it's all good. Brand guide, that was the same thing. I think I'm going to do that with a different logo. But anyway, that's not what this video was about. I'm going to do another video on that. But I did want to show you NotebookLM. And then now what I can do here is I can copy this note and I can go into my projects I said I would do. And so I already started, but I'll go ahead and down here below, I will paste it in. Seeing it already comes in as markdown or markup, whichever. There are some tweaks that you have to do, like those are bold marks that I get rid of. And then I switch these to H2s. So I can do that. But you have to take off the formatting. But I'm going to leave the bold there. So it's just the headers that I fix. But just a little bit of tweaking and you got yourself a full-blown outline of all the things that I said I was going to do. And we can get rid of that. And what I'll do off camera is I will merge the top note with this bottom note that we just did. But you can also do things like this. Let me just put this H2 in there. You know me. Once I start going, I start going. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Control S. I'm going to minimize that. And then we can go back to it. But now that I have the data in there, I can do things like 3 outlines with 4 headers per, I'm going to say main headers. What videos I should do next. You can do stuff like that with your own data. You can also upload PDFs. You can do other YouTube videos that you may be doing research with, and I've done that, pulled in other YouTube creators' videos as my sources to get information. I'm doing a video on AI and how it's affecting the design industry. That's coming, so that's a promise that I'm going to add to the list. I've already got the outline written, so that is coming. But based upon these videos, go ahead and create 3 outlines with 4 main headers per outline, 3 bullet points under each main header. I'm going to say suggest topics I should do next. And let's just see what it comes up with. I have found when I'm using AI and stuff of this nature, my first prompt isn't always the best prompt. Sometimes I have to go again and again and again to get what I need, but it usually gets me in the ballpark. And the way that I use this kind of application is for drafts. I never write a full-blown script, but I will write bullet points and I will try to follow the bullet points. But I would not let AI write my stuff 100%. So let's go ahead and copy this and let's see what it comes up with. And we will close that and we'll open up Typora so we can get a clean page. Okay, let's see what it came up with. Outline, the comprehensive brand guide tutorial. That's one that we're going to be possibly doing. Outline 2, mastering web layouts with precision guides. Okay, that's an idea. 3, the Busy Pro workflow, AI and rapid prototyping. That is a really good idea. I think I'm going to keep that. And suggested topics to do next. See what you can do with your own data. Affinity Photo Poster Masterclass. Oh, okay, that's an idea. I didn't even think of that. The merch production walkthrough. Oh, okay. Designing for the overwhelmed client? Maybe. I don't know. My wife works with somebody who is constantly overwhelmed, so maybe I could talk to her and see. I don't know. That's a possibility, but you get the idea. Canva video editing for pros. Canva's video creation and editing tools. That's a good one too. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to go ahead and save it. So I got it saved here in my generic area. So also I forgot, while I have this open, what I can do is, let's go with a new chat and I'm also give me photo ideas for the thumbnail. So this is some of the stuff you can do. So for this video right here, I'm asking it to create a title and give me some suggestions for a better title name, using your own data sources for data mining, or to make suggestions for what to use the data for in the future, which we already just did. The original title for the video is using NotebookLM for your own creations. Okay, let's see what comes back. Okay. Oh, I like this because it's taking for the Busy Pro. I was doing that a lot. NotebookLM for the Busy Pro. Mine your own creative data for future projects. I kind of like that. Stop starting from scratch. Turn your design assets into insights with NotebookLM. Little long. The ultimate dirty secret using NotebookLM. Okay, because of the dirty secrets video series that we will be continuing. Well, I'd like to continue this year. I've got some ideas about, AI as being a dirty little secret, if you will. AI data mining for designers, repurposing old briefs into new profits. Ooh, I like that too. Okay, well, that's all I have for today. I hope you like these videos. I hope you learned something. And if you did, you like these videos, please leave a comment. That goes a long way. It helps me build the channel and helps me make the videos that you want to see. And if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. I'd certainly appreciate it. All right, well, thanks for stopping by. You have a great day, and you take care. All right, bye-bye.